Namaste, I am Ravi Asrani from Omni Vedic Ganit Sansthan, Indore, India. Today, most of the students consider mathematics as a difficult and dull subject. They are afraid of maths and suffer from math phobia. In India, level of maths which is taught in school is good, but the problem is with teaching techniques. Necessity is to introduce innovative practices in mathematics education to develop active interest of the subject in the student so that they not only enjoy the subject but also discover new formula and methods to solve any problem. Sometimes students forget any formula, concept or values and find difficult to recall it. Mnemonic is a great device to remember any information. Mnemonic are device for memorizing some information by associating them with things that are easy to remember. So, today I am going to present innovative method of mnemonics to develop interest of mathematics in the student and inspire them to learn joyfully. The most common mnemonic device for remembering a series of digits is a sentence or rhyme in which number of letters in each word corresponds to the number of digits in the desired order. For example, in the sentence, I know a root of a 2 whose square is 2. The value of root 2 to 10 places of decimals are contained. I repeat, I know a root of a 2 whose square is 2. The number of letters in each word corresponds to the successive integers in the decimal representation of value of root 2. The value of root 2 to 10 places of decimals is 1.4142135623. It can be memorized by remembering above mentioned sentence. Few other mnemonics for mathematical constants are mnemonic for value of pi to 7 places of decimals is may I have a large container of coffee? Value of pi to 7 places of decimals is 3.1415926. Mnemonic for Euler's number E. To disturb a playroom is commonly a practice of children. Value of E to 9 places of decimals is 2.718281828. Mnemonic for 1 mile is 5 tomatoes. That is 1 mile equal to 5280 feet. Mnemonic for 1 radian equals 57 degrees 16 minutes 21.8 seconds is child disturb a prayer in an assembly. Some concepts, operations can also be remembered with the help of mnemonic. For example, how can one remember that in a fraction which is a numerator and what is denominator? First letter of word denominator is D. So one can remember that denominator is down part. For example, in 2 upon 3, down part is 3. So denominator is 3 and remaining upper part 2 is numerator. Meaning of perimeter is contained in it. Perimeter is a distance about rim. Less than greater than symbols are formed by two hands. Most people use their left hand less and right hand more. So these are symbols of less than and more than. Mnemonic for distance is dirt because distance equal to rate into time. Di equal to r into t. Mnemonic for multiplication of binomials is FOIL. FOIL means multiplication of first terms plus multiplication of outer terms plus multiplication of inner terms plus multiplication of last terms of binomials. For example, a plus b into c plus d is equal to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Mnemonic for division of polynomials is dad, mom, sister, brother, relative. Dad means first of all divide first term of dividend by first term of divisor and write result in quotient. Mom means second step is multiplication of quotient and divisor. Sister means third step is subtract above result from dividend. Brother means bring down remaining terms of dividend. Relative means repeat the same process. Mnemonic for order of operations in a question containing different operators is please excuse dear Mr. Asrani sir. According to this mnemonic, simplification order should be parenthesis, exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Mnemonic for Roman numerals. I viewed X landing carelessly down mountains. I is equal to 1, V equal to 5, X equal to 10, L equal to 50, C equal to 100, D equal to 500 and M equal to 1000. Wheel of success in mathematics exam has 6 spokes. Remember the mnemonic code? Coffee dose now required. Take the capitalized letters of this statement. They are C for concepts, F for formula, D for derivations, S for solved examples, N for notes and R for revision. Many students respond to the current curriculum with boredom. Maths is boring subject is just an illusion. Maths is very interesting and if taught properly, students can enjoy it. So mnemonic technique can create interest towards maths and removes math phobia. Thank you.